Okay guys, today we are going to try out this Boot2Root CTF, namely DEVELPY. So without wasting any time, let's deploy the machine. Our machine have been deployed, we have to wait until it's fully up. I'm going to start a new TMUX session named DEVELPY. Pinging to check if the machine is up or not. When up, we are going to launch an all port scan. And a simple scan. Looks like we got SSH service running on port 22. Now we got a port open on 10,000. Let's enumerate the port 10,000. Okay, we found something interesting, Python program named exploit.py. Now let's try to connect the port using netcat if we can. Yes, looks like we can give the input here. Check giving 0 as input. Seems like it gave the output. Now check giving 1 as input. Okay, we got some additional output. Now check giving 2 as input. Interesting, seems like the program is pinging someone, and our input is the number of ping it does. Let us try something else. What about giving a string input? Now let's try if it leaks any information on giving huge amount of input. Okay, it revealed a for function in the program, where the input number is the max range. What about checking some function injection in the input parameter? Let's check the eval function if it works here. Seemingly it does. Now let's check what will be the outcome of eval 1 plus 1. Nice. It worked as it added the 2 number. Proving that we can exploit the input parameter using the eval function. First we have to import the OS library and then use the system function to check if the pwd command give us the current directory on the victim machine. I am really sorry for this silly mistakes. Rerun it. And we got the current working directory. Very nice. Now we can spawn a reverse shell that will connect to our machine. Let's give it a try. Now let's fire up our reverse listener on port 1234. Yes, nicely done. We got our juicy shell. Let's grab our user flag and paste it in. First and foremost we have to stabilize our shell to avoid any misfunctions. Check if we have Python 3 here. Now run this one-liner using pty library and spawn function to launch a bash shell. Then background the process by clicking Ctrl-Z, then do stty-raw-echo. And then FG enter. Now we have a stabilized shell. One more thing. Do export term equal x term. Now we are good to go. Looking for files. We found an PNG image named credentials.png. Let's check that file using strings. Nope. Didn't found anything interesting. Let's go ahead and enumerate the scripts present here. Now check the exploit.py program through which we got in. Haha lol, it was no pinging program, it just randomly sent messages. Very well, let's check the other program present in here. The root.sh script is running all the Python program present inside the media directory of the company folder inside the root directory. Now let's check the run.sh, it's not so interesting, it just runs the exploit.py. Let's check the file permissions. We don't have permission to the root.sh. Now let's check the cron tab. If we can find anything. Wow! It's huge. So the root.sh file, inside the user directory, is being ran by root. So now we can exploit it nicely. We have to remove the root.sh file, and make a new one with same name, but with a reverse shell in it which will connect us. So let's do it. Now remove the file, then make a new one with same name. Edit it, and paste in the reverse shell. But this time we have to change the port. Now fire up another listener on port 9999. Now we have to just wait for a second. We got a shell as root, yes. Now grab the root flag, and paste it. In done. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something new.